Sonia here again. I know that you're probably going to be away this weekend, but listen, just think about what we're going to play, please, because we have to decide and we need to practice, okay? Anyway, it will be fun, I promise. And, oh, please call Mom, please, because she worries, which you know already. Okay, later, A, bye.
Lesson: don't buy the cheap, made-in-China multi-tool. I tried to find my Swiss Army knife, but this thing came free with a flashlight. The flashlight was a piece of shit, too. I kept it in my truck for emergencies. Not that I'm blaming you, Mom. There is a perfectly great stocking stuffer. And there's no way you could have ever known that I'd get in this kind of trouble.
When we watch this later, we'll